Exercise 6A, question 7 of D3. The points P, Q and R are collinear, means they are lie on a straight lines. Straight line means we have a straight line. This is point P, this is point Q, and maybe this is point R. We have to find the value of Z. So first of all we have to find the slope of PQ and we have to find the slope of QR. So means they are collinear, they are on a straight line, they are on a single one line, so means the slope of these two lines will be equal. So we will consider this PQ equals to slope of this PQ is equals to slope of this QR. Clear? As we have done in the previous question, that the slopes, when the slopes are equal of two lines, so we will take something like this: m1 gradient of first line equals to the gradient of the second line, because they both are equal. So now we have to replace the values. First of all I have to write the formula of PQ. So this is the second coordinate, so YQ minus YP. In the denominator we have XQ minus XP. Clear? Coordinate of second minus coordinate of first. In the denominator, coordinate of second minus coordinate of first point. Here we have R, so it will be YR minus YQ upon XR minus XQ. Now as we are given the values of these coordinates in the question, we have YQ, this is P, this is Q, and the Y coordinate of Q is -2, so I have replaced this YQ with the -2. Then I want to know what is the Y coordinate of P bracket. This is the P bracket and Y coordinate is -3. Minus is already present here because of formula, so this will become +3. In the denominator I have the coordinate of Q, X coordinate of Q, this is the Q bracket, X coordinate of Q is 3, so I will write 3 minus of formula. Now X coordinate of P, this is the P bracket and X coordinate of P is 2, so I will write 2 here. Now I have to find Y coordinate of R bracket, this is the R bracket, and Y coordinate of R is Z, so I will write Z here, minus Y coordinate of Q, this is the Q bracket and Y coordinate of Q is -2, so minus minus will become positive. In the denominator, X coordinate of R, this is the R and X coordinate of R is 8, so I will write 8 here, minus of formula. Then X coordinate of Q bracket and X coordinate is 3. Now I have to do the solutions what we have done previously. Okay, now minus plus minus 2 minus 3, or I can say 3 minus 2 gives you only 1, and 3 minus 2 gives you 1, same. Wow, very good. Now this is Z plus 2, and 8 minus 3 gives you 5. 8 minus 3 gives you 5. Now do the cross multiplication. 5 ones are 5, and if I multiply this one with this Z plus 2, it will remain Z plus 2. When this 2 shift over there, this is 5 minus 2, this is Z, and now arrange it. Z is equals to 5 minus 2 gives you 3. This is the answer which is required. Thank you.